Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload on Pinterest. First, make sure you're actually logged in to Pinterest.com. So you can see I'm currently logged in. And then all you want to do is come here and click on Create. Okay? And here, you can either choose a file or drag and drop it right here. I'll just go ahead and click on this to choose a file. Okay, just go ahead and click on that. So here I'm browsing through my pictures. Let's say I want to go and upload this. So I'll just choose this and then click on open. There we go. So it's currently uploading this file. You can add a description, a title, right? A link, maybe to a product, right? For example, if you're selling this as a poster, you can also choose a board. If you would like, you can create a new board. Let's do, we'll do art. Okay, click on create. There we go. You can add tags as well. Now we'll add a title first. Dragon in a city. Right? There we go. This is my title and this is my description. It's pretty good. And now you can add some tags topics. For example, let's do dragon. Right? Things people are basically searching for. Can do dragon, and there's a lot of options. Maybe if it's a dragon tattoo or it's dragon art, you can go ahead and type that in, right? So dragon illustration, that's perfect. You can add more tags. Basically will help you get your reach and people would be able to view this image. I can add products as well if you are selling maybe as a poster. You can come here, also look at more options if you want people to comment and also show similar products, right? You can go ahead and do that as well. But other than that, it's really easy and simple. Come here and just click on publish. And then I'll show you here on, there you go. Okay, our pin has been published. I can just click on view. And here it is. You can easily come here and share this, copy the link, and share it with your friend. Really easy and simple.